Dobre everyone, good afternoon. Wow, it's very nice, beautiful sunny day today. So today I'm going to somewhere to see something like a green park or tropical park somewhere. So yeah, let's see. I'm already wearing my Bali a tropical dress. So yeah, let's see. It's very hot today. Let's go, but it's very enjoyable to walk. It's not that humid like in Bali, but it's very nice and warm. Look at this beautiful building. I think in front of me, this one is the school. So yeah, basically because today is holiday, the road is quieter and more enjoyable. This is what I like about walking a lot in Poznan, Poland. So you discover so many beautiful things when you walk. Look at this apartment. Looks so cute. And look at the restaurant. Restaurant nowadays put the table outside just like this. Look at this building in front of me. And it's gonna be a brand new apartment like this. That's the apartment, peaceful and quiet. Look at this brand new place. That's the red building, red apartment, brand new apartment gonna be. And this one another red brick building, and we will go there.
Yo, what's up?
So it's time to have a coffee o'clock, fika time together. So yeah, let's
Iwi palmiarnya in Poznan. Let's go.
So we have a coffee o'clock here inside the green garden. Very nice sitting. Let's see. Oh la la. So many things here. So Damian's ordering something and let's go. Oh, I think that's the barong from Bali, tak? And look at this cute statue here. Okay, let's find a seat. Very nice, exotic place. Look at this one. Wow. Oh, look at this. Angkor Wat in Southeast Asia. Look at the statue. Very cute. Thank you Kohanye for choosing this place. Barzo. I love it. I feel like I come back again to the tropical country, my hometown. And look at this. And look at that. Papaya. Look at this. That's the inside. But if you want to sit outside also has a very nice sitting. You see? Very nice place. Look at this, even they have a bamboo here. Barzo Polecang. So what's the name of the coffee shop? I'll show you. This one, Caviarnya 7 Continental. And here it is. Look at this one. This language look like a rhinos. Oh, in Sumatra Island. Coffee and cake. It cost me around 2 cappuccino and 1 cake. Damian, are you on diet today, honey? He ate a lot this morning, so only 1 cake. And this costs 55.
But I still gonna have a bite. A little bit, Aja.
So nice. So I think this is the best date, summer date ever. Fika time. So thank you so much, and you feel like you are coming back to the tropical countries.
You can find tropical vibes if you really know where to look for, Aja.
Barzo Polecang. Look at this seat. It made of rattan basically, and this pillow. This one batik from Indonesia. So if I really miss Indonesia or tropical country, this one is the place. Thank you, honey, for taking me here. See, more and more people coming here. Nice sitting place, really like little Ubud in the middle of Poland. Oh, that's the Angkor Wat in Cambodia. That's the statue and the thing. And see, getting busier and busier. Look at these bamboo plants. really like a small tropical sweet escape. And look at this boat. So the name of the place, this one. That was a nice fika time because Damian has to go back to work. I know it's holiday, but still because we have a small company and we need to, provide everything, paying the bills, loans, and everything. So yeah, Damian has to go back to work. And meanwhile, I keep making a video content for you, for those of you who is having a dream to live in Europe. So today, after this, I'll show you around the beautiful park and beautiful tropical palm garden. So this one is called Park Wilsona. This is the history and something like this park actually regarding to American or something like that. So I'll show you. This is basically how it is during holiday. People going to park, enjoying the time, just like this. So this is basically the garden. See, more and more people, and look at the flowers are blooming. It's summer is so beautiful in Poland. You can listen the sound of the bird chirping. So this is, like I told you, in Poznan is everywhere you go is green area. It's just like 20% of the land basically is green, and that's in the middle. Oh, look at that, nice statue, green, people sunbathing, amazing. Wow. So now let's go there. That's actually looks like a glass house, but in the middle there is like a palm house. So there are so many tropical plants there. So yeah, let's go. So this is called Palmiernia. So you need to pay the ticket basically, and that's the the reservation or reception place. So the entrance ticket is basically 16 zloty, and when you enter, you already feel like a little tropical paradise. Oh, look at this beautiful pond. So nice. Let's go. Wow. Wow. And wow. So inside here, look at this. This palm tree is growing wild in my dad's land. Here looks so exotic. Okay, let's go here. Wow, banana trees, so nice. When you enter this place, you feel like this place is warm and really like inside of the tropical jungle. This is like my home in Bali. So wherever you go, it's just like everything is green and really well maintained. Look at this pond. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, so amazing. Lotus pond is just like the pond in my home. Even the fish there. Wow, it's really like a small fish in Bali. Nice. This is a ginger tree, cocos, coconut. Oh, it's like my hometown. Amazing. I found a really little tropical paradise here. Look at this pandan tree. Oh, this is just like the pandan tree next to, my hometown, in the Kedungu beach. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, this one, a coffee Arabica. Oh, it's just like a small little coffee plantation here. Amazing. Wow. Look at the aquarium. You see, you can find a little tropical paradise even here in the middle of the cold country, Poland. But still amazing. They really maintain it so well. Look at the pond. When you keep walking and walking. Okay, let's go there. Oh, this one. Ah, this paku. We use it for the veggie in Bali. Wow. I have this small version in my apartment. Oh, it's amazing. And one thing, the description about the, what is it called, the plant is written in Polish. So that's why Polish is a must. Okay, beautiful. Wow. Let's go. Wow. Very nice. Oh, they have a cactus, palm trees. Wow. Amazing, right? Super cool. Very nice. So in Bali we have a Bali Botanical Garden, but here it's just like, you know, when you walk here you feel like it's just like Bali is here, tropical country is here. Amazing. Look at the beautiful cactus behind me. So nice. Wow. Wow. And wow. Amazing. This anthurium plant. I remember this Adenium arabicum. My mom's favorite plants. Small things make me happy. Look at this gigantic palm. Wow. Wow. And wow. Even this small plant. So good. Oh, this is the thermometer that to keep, you know, it warms like the tropical country. Nice. One thing that I realized here is everything regarding to the tropical green here is simply like very exotic and expensive, but it's nice to see how they really look after it, you know. But in my island in Bali, it's just like simply grow, like, you know, nobody care. But here they really like taking really a good care of it. For example, like this one is simply, you know, like these trees is simply like, I don't know how to explain. It's just beautiful. Oh, look at this kakatua bird. Very nice. Wow. Oh, very nice. Oh, so cute. Look, this pandan tree. Lovely. So lovely. Let's go. Look at this aquarium. Wow. Wow. It's just like a small pond. Oh, they have an oxygen like this. Very nice. And look at the fish. Oh, this is a small fish that in the river next to my home. In the, you know, next to the rice fields. Like this one. This one. When I used to live in Bali, I just like don't bother about this. And this one. Oh, hibiscus. It just like grow wildly in my home. This one, Citrus maxima, means pomelo. It grows exactly like the backyard at my hometown in Bali. This one. Small thing that really makes me happy. I found my home here. Oh, Malaysia, India, Indonesia. Let's go, keep going. Banana tree. Amazing. Oh, look at this big fish. Just like the big fish in Tirta Empul. Wow. Wow. Look at this big fish. Wow. just look like in my hometown. Amazing. I'm so amazed with this. If you have ever been to Tirta Ampul temple, and there is a big pond with a big koi fish like this, and the waterfall, the pond, amazing. Nice. So this Palmiarni Poznańskie is about 100 years. So they built it in 1911. So it has been 100 years, but they still keep maintaining it green as the way it is. It's amazing. From Indonesia, Malaysia, pomelo. Really like in my backyard of my mama house. Look at this small garden. Oh, very nice. Oh, this one is like kantong semar in Indonesia. You see, they will plantai carnivore. So if there is a one insect coming there, and then hop, they will eat the insect. Amazing. Oh, this one exactly. Very nice. That's nice. Right, so that is the Kaviarnia coffee shop that we were before. You see? That's it, the coffee shop. Aha! See? Kaviarnia 7 Continent. But we didn't go to the coffee shop. We just explore this area. So this one plan costs you about 25 zloty, which means 100,000 rupiah. Again, in my hometown, it just grow wild and free. But here, expensive, exotic. Right, look at this. This one blanket looks like made in Bali. Let's go to the aquarium. This one is the aquarium. This building was built in 1911 and still exists until now. Can you imagine that, how they really take care of this? Oh, this arwana fish. Ah, let's go. Ribe Azi, it means like fish from Asia. Piękna ribe, beautiful fish. Lele, oh, lele, catfish, amazing. Oh, this one, lohan fish. Oh wow, look at this beautiful fish, amazing. Very nice. And look at this, the bigger aquarium. Oh, that's gurami fish, I think so. Look at this one, amazing. Tilapia, yes, tilapia mujair. Ribe ameriki polutnioi, American fish, lohan fish, amazing. Ooh la la, look at this. This fish, oh, this black and white fish, a zebra fish. I remember that I went to the Lake Bratan Lake. They grow this one in Bratan Lake. Look at that color fish, amazing. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Wow. Pomelo and ginger tree. One thing that sometimes I take it for granted is just like, you know, but here it's super exotic. Look at this. This one is also tropical Australians and Indonesia. Amazing. Wow. This tree, this is exactly grow in my papa lands. This tree actually special fruit. It's called tap. Oh wow! See, it grows here in my country, Indonesia. And this one is actually the galangal tree. Amazing. And this one is the souvenir shop. If you wanna buy something, so cute. Ah. See, everything here relating to the Asia tropical thing is so exotic. Like this. Oh, lotus. It just grow wild in my home country. Here it's just amazing. So I walk outside. So look at this beautiful statue. I'll show you the Google Translate next to it. Amazing, like something relating to the Greek mythology. And look at the people here enjoying the time under the sunbathing, even working under the sun. That's the palmiernia, and this is the garden. Birds everywhere. Look at that. So nice. Wow. 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 So one thing that I realize, like when I take for granted like whatever I have in Bali, and then now I'm living in Poland, here like green things, tropical vibe is really exotic, and people really appreciate that, and even willing to pay more to experience this. Amazing. Look at that beautiful building. Wow. Wow. I wonder how much is that apartment cost. Must be pricey. Look at this beautiful park. Wow. Wow. If in Bali they are sunbathing on the beach, but here they are sunbathing on the park, just like this one. Oh, look at this one. Look at the ducks. The ducks or the birds? Amazing, isn't it? Oh, enjoy the breeze. So this one is Park St. Wilson. I will put the Google Translate for you so you can read later on the English version. And so far it's so peaceful, beautiful, and family friendly. Let's go out. In front is very nice building, architecture. Oh, look at that. There is a nice restaurant, Project Winston Cafe. And look at this one, very nice building. Amazing. Right, so I think that's all my video today from Poznan, Poland. Small things but make me happy. I feel really like Poznan, like my home in Bali. So it's good, and it's very good feeling. And I know, I remember that somebody said to me, just wait for the winter, it will be cold and gray. It's okay. 4 season is still beautiful, right? At least beautiful in terms of I can have many types of clothes, many kinds of food that I will try, and so many things that I will discover. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.